The route march started from the popular Mogadishu barracks in Abuja. According to senior naval officers, the march is aimed at boosting combat readiness of its personnel.
What you have witnessed today as mandated on the Nigerian Navy program and a schedule of events for the year is a third quarter route march, 10-kilometer route march, which is designed to not only test our physical fitness, but also to establish same.
One senior officer, Rear Admiral Adeniyi Oshinowo, was ecstatic as he commended the performance of those present.
All the men, both male and female, started together, went the whole hop, back, not a single drop for 10 kilometers. And I should say that's a satisfactory output.
He also used the opportunity to assure Nigerians that the Navy is prepared to protect critical infrastructure and the nation's territorial waters.
As we stand, limited attacks on shipping offshore and of course limited attacks on the oil and gas infrastructure offshore. As much as we're contending with those within the inshore area, you also note that recent efforts among the services have demonstrated the fact that that will not be the case in the long run.
From Abuja, Amadin Uyi, STV News.